Recording is on.
It is the 10th of September, 2020. This is WIKISPEED Standup. It's Michael Wolchuk in Saskatoon. Last week, I posted the recording of last week's stand-up and the week before because I hadn't got that done. I haven't really gotten a lot of progress on my new Raspberry Pis, but I did find the old Raspberry Pi and its micro SD card. So now all I have to do is plug in the micro SD card in, power up the Pis, and try connecting to them with my laptop. So it is progress, but I didn't get anything accomplished. And last week I got an email from Suncatcher saying that they don't have a test procedure for the new card they sent me, but they think that I arced my Pi across two power terminals on the ground. When I installed it, that's why I blew up my Pi, and that's why they sent me a new board. So I'll compare the output voltages on the old one with the output voltages on the new one. So that was half. Off-grid solar, I didn't get the off-grid bank made. I did drag home one set of four lithium iron phosphate batteries strapped in series, and I did locate a wooden crate to mount the battery and the inverter inside, and I took apart my old ATV trailer to use the wheels for. So that was something. The ESP chip for the level sensor does not work with a cable of any significant length. I tried 50 feet, I tried 7 feet, and I tried 3 feet. Between the ESP32 and the VL53 distance sensor. So the distance that works okay is measured in inches, not feet, which means that I have to come up with a different solution. So my plan is to split it into two projects. The ESP32 with the distance sensor and the Bluetooth is one project, and it could also use Wi-Fi, but that's an option since it's built into the ESP32. The second is a repeater that takes the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi signal from the level sensor ESP32 and makes it available via the Bluetooth keyboard interface or some Wi-Fi method. Basically, it's going to be a battery-powered repeater. There may or may not be a cable between the two to let them run on one set of batteries, but I've spent enough time trying to make it one project with a cable between it. I keep saying product for some reason. I reviewed all of the video, audio, and pictures from the various versions of the level sensor, and a lot of the video is not usable. A lot of the audio is really bad for various reasons. So I wrote up a script to summarize what I had tried and what I learned from each of the iterations, and then I wrote up a list of pictures and video that I need to take, and I kind of came up with points to cover in my voiceover. I also recorded the wiring for the ESP32 through the various cables and for my testing, and again it didn't work. Next week, scroll down. I'm still looking to power up my Raspberry Pis and the new board from Suncatcher and verify things work. I'm still looking to move my off-grid solar battery and inverter into the cart to make it portable power. I would really like to get the level sensor and the ESP32 reliable and try at least first cut at a waterproof enclosure that has mounting points built into it, so it's easy to deal with. And then edit and post pictures, audio, and video. Take some audio and video for the various iterations. And that is it for the stand-up. The blocks, it's summer and there's other stuff to do, but it's almost not summer anymore, so that's not really all that big a deal. I'm going to give myself a 9 out of 10 because I got 4 out of 5 points done for the week, although they weren't the ones that I intended to. And the team, I'm going to go with a 6. Hopefully, Lauren is still making progress on his old laptop and getting the charitable paperwork done. And what else was there? Oh, process improvement. I don't have a process improvement. And that's pretty much it for stand-up. And it's about 6:35, so I think I'll give up on the stand-up for today and get this thing posted.